Hi, it's Megan and the Getting Started with KanBo video guide. Today, we will focus on working with spaces. Space is simply our area to work. We can use space features to organize cards in a way that suits our workflow. Are you ready? We will discuss working with spaces using the Kanban view as an example. This is the most basic view which lets us focus on space features. One of the first KanBo features you deal with is the card status. It informs about the progress of the task. We can easily rename it or change its color. But the important thing is card statuses have roles. In our example, we have 3 statuses with 3 different roles. But we actually have 4 status roles to use in KanBo. I think in our case we need the 4th one too. So let's add a new status with an information role. Here, we will post ideas for new tasks. The order of card statuses can be changed with ease. Wait, I already have some card ideas. You can, of course, add more card statuses if you need. Remember that the card status is not just visual information. By knowing the status of the card, KanBo can calculate the work progress at each stage of the project. This data will allow you to make further analyses and forecasts related to your company's work. You can watch the progress of the task at a glance by looking at the circle around the card's status symbol. This indicator shows the card realization progress. Its completion depends on the work that has been done in the card. When a card or its part, like a to-do list item, is completed, you will see that the circle will begin to fill. Every step, even the smallest one, brings us closer to our goal. Okay, we know card statuses now, so let's move to the next thing, card grouping. Cards are the core elements of spaces. You might have already noticed that they are sorted out according to their statuses. But that's not the only way to arrange them. We can change it using the settings at the top of the space. Let's try grouping the cards by the users assigned to them. Can you see the difference? You sure can. What if I told you you could group your cards any way you want? Labels are one of the custom fields that make it possible. It allows us to make our own categories to which we assign cards. We can create and add it directly in the Custom Fields section inside the card. Fit the names and colors of the labels to the nature of your work. Then, drag the card and drop it in the new place to add a label. Really, it couldn't be simpler. Later, it's a good practice to hide empty groups and enjoy the view of a well-organized space. Remember to save the changes to the display settings if you want to see them the next time you open this space view. Because this is only the first of the possible views in a space. I mean, we only see the Kanban view from the beginning. But the greatest KanBo strength lies in the ability to add more space views. KanBo provides different space views, such as Kanban, Gantt chart, or mind map, to present your tasks and projects in different visual formats. These views allow you to choose the one that suits your needs at the moment. You can learn about them in the next video. See you there!